So I think that I'm going to do the pockets the regular way, because I was just looking at the instructions and it's not difficult, but I went ahead and cut out 4 pockets anyway. You're only supposed to cut out 2 and then you do the pockets a different way. I'm just going to do the pockets how I usually do pockets, and not stress myself out. Which is, this is me. This is the front pieces of the bomber. I'm just going to place the pockets with right side spacing. Then I'm going to grab the back piece and then place the back pockets with right side spacing to the back. And I'm just going to do it like that, because I was racking my brain. I was like, I'm not doing all that. I'm just doing pocket. I'm gonna do these pockets the way I know how to do pockets. Alright, so I got the front and back sewn together. I got the pockets here. I haven't finished the pockets. I need to sew them together. But I think I'm gonna turn the pocket towards the front piece and sew them down. So I know it's hard to kind of see with all these colors, but these are the 2 pocket pieces. I think I'm gonna make sure you can see. I think I'm gonna just sew from here all the way down, because that's how it is on the pattern anyway. The way that they did the pockets, you can see the stitching on the front of the bomber jacket of the pocket. So I think I'm just gonna do it that way. That way the pocket is not moving around inside the jacket once I put it together. But I gotta go. I gotta start work. I have a night class that I gotta teach, so I just want to show you the progress that I have so far on the jacket. Tomorrow I'll sew down the pockets and add the sleeves to it, and probably the bottom band. But I gotta look at the instructions again. I think I add the bottom band and then I add the zipper. I think that's how I do it. Alright, so I got the outside shell done. I got the neckband on. I got the bottom band on, the sleeves. I've added the sleeves. I sewed the pockets down to the front. Now I have to add the zipper, sew up the lining, and then add the lining and the armbands, and I will be done with this bomber jacket. I like it. I like the fact that it doesn't have a front and a side front. I like that it has just one whole piece for the front of the bomber jacket. I usually make McCall 7100 and it has a front and a side front. Just extra pieces, extra unnecessary pieces in my opinion. So that's why I like this one that I'm doing. And I also like the way that I decided to do the pocket. It was much easier for me to just do the pocket the way I know how to do pockets. So I'll keep going. I got my zipper. It calls for a 24-inch zipper. I may have to cut it down because it may be too long. It may be just right. I don't know. We'll see. But I have a this is 24. I can't think of if I said 24 or 22, but it calls for a 24-inch zipper. I have a 22 just in case this one is too long. Just so, you know, to avoid having to cut the zipper down. But we'll see how it goes. I'm looking at it, eyeballing it. It looks like it's going to fit just right. So we'll see. If I have to cut anything, it looks like I might just have to cut off this top part here. But we'll see how it goes. Yeah, it looks like it might fit pretty good. I started here. Yeah, it looks like, oh no, that might be a little bit too long. So like I said, I can either cut off this part, some of the teeth there, or I can grab that 22-inch zipper to see how, if the 22-inch zipper will fit just right. But we'll see how it goes. Alright, so first let me say, love the jacket. I'm at a race against the battery. I didn't charge the battery. I gotta take it apart though. I don't know if you can, how well you can see this. It's probably, it looks like it's blurry, but this isn't tucked under the neckband. So when I zip it up, the zipper pull comes off. So I gotta take it apart and redo that part. But other than that, I just gotta add the armbands, and I like it. I have no idea when I'm gonna do that. But love the jacket, love all the colors. I just wanted to show it to you real quick in this video, and then once I finish this, I'll put it on in a different video. But love, love, love the jacket. I just gotta fix the zipper. Rookie mistake. I made way too many bomber jackets to make that mistake, but it is what it is. But love it. Love, love, love it. Alright, so I'll see y'all in the next video.